The process to produce a product is easy. But in the end, to sell these products in the marketplace, you must consider all the product requirements. To capture and address all the said requirements, you need to analyze the needs of the customers, both internal and external, through different processes. You must also consider the target markets and the customer segments for your products. Complete this course to enhance your awareness of the ESO process and to understand what is expected of you regarding adherence to the process. Click Start to begin the course. Welcome to the Tata Motors Engineering Sign-Off Process Training course. By the end of this module, you will be able to understand ESO history and timeline within TML, demonstrate knowledge of the ESO office and the ESO model, list the ESO relevant documents during the data collation phase, identify the DVP-SOR tasks associated with it, understand ESO risk assessment, review the different ESO reports, explain the continuous improvement process, and assess the ESO process workflow. Have you ever thought why some businesses tend to do better than the others? Many businesses do better than the others because, like us, they strive towards it. At Tata Motors, we maintain consistency while creating new product categories with advanced technologies. Our values are our pride. The mission statement speaks of the same ethos. We innovate with passion, mobility solutions to enhance quality of life. As stated by W. Edwards Deming, profit in business comes from repeat customers, customers that boast about your project or service, and that bring friends with them. As stated by Sam Walton, the founder of Walmart, there's only one boss, the customer, and he can fire everybody in the company from the chairman on down simply by spending his money somewhere else. So how does one define ESO? Engineering sign-off or ESO is a controlled and auditable process that is used to ensure all our products conform to all the necessary regulations for the markets they are being sold into, meet all the customer acceptance requirements, meet all the applicable TML corporate standards, and are functionally valid. ESO is a continual evidence-driven process spanning the DR2 to FSR gateways. It allows the business to dive into a project DVP-SOR at any time and see, with current course and speed, if ESO will be achieved by DR4. ESO is achieved through the collaborative working between engineering teams and the ESO office. So when does one grant ESO? There are 2 points to note for this, which are: ESO is confirmation that all validation has been met to the agreed engineering product targets 1 NPI Gen 3 gateway prior to start of production. It cannot be demanded or implemented prematurely. ESO forms part of the TML NPI process and relies totally on the achievement of NPI gateway milestones and deliverables. As such, no product will be allowed to progress onto production unless ESO has been achieved. ESO benefits the following groups. Click each group name to learn how it benefits from ESO. For Tata Motors Limited, ESO ensures adherence to the company product engineering process NPI Gen 3, avoidance of corporate product litigation, reduction in rework and warranty costs, and improvement in brand image. For the senior management team, ESO provides an independent assessment of program status and risk, avoidance of personal criminal prosecution through demonstration of duty of care, evidence that we are uncompromised at sign-off events, and a decision-making data feed for effective resource allocation of time and cost. For the engineers, ESO provides evidence that product requirements such as customer, corporate, and legal requirements have been successfully achieved. If the three primary groups benefit from ESO, what else should we know about the ESO office? The ESO office employs its objective and its responsibilities are all aligned to provide governance of the ESO process within ERC. Let us look into each of these separately. The ESO office consists of its employees who are experienced automotive engineers who have a broad knowledge of different engineering disciplines and who work only from facts, physics, and first principles. Engineers from different automotive organizations such as OEMs and first-tier suppliers who have experienced best practice techniques, and communicators who can engage with and present to all levels and grades in the company. The objective of the ESO office is to ensure all engineering risks are mitigated by the existing engineering processes within ERC. The ESO office is responsible for the governance of the ESO process within ERC. The project teams are responsible for the delivery of the engineering required to achieve ESO to the agreed cost, time, and quality targets.